Oh, friends, running kimono here, Walgreens summer apparel, fun in the sun stuff, and a whole host of other items hit 90% off this morning, which is Thursday, September the 7th. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, expect that the summer area of your store is either going to get cleared or you might find the mother load if it's not tagged. I would head out sooner than later because I think that whenever you can get such huge and deep savings, people really go hard with this. And I didn't clear a store. I went to 4 different stores this morning and I got a whole host of different deals. I'm looking for stocking stuffers and little dealios for you guys and just unique finds. But a lot of the stuff I just completely passed up, like pools and the little summer floaties and that sort of stuff. Left them all in the store for the customers. So we're going to go through my favorite deals. Head out there if you really want to do this. And don't be shy to use a bit of Walgreens cash, register rewards, whatever you might have to lessen your out of pocket as well. Okay, so let's jump right into this. So the first couple deals we're going to talk about is for people that, you're not jazzed up about summer or you just want a deal. So this Family Guard disinfectant spray, find it where the summer stuff is in that aisle. It's on clearance for 99 cents and it's a buy one, get one 50% off. So if you grab 4 of them, it's going to be $2.97. Sorry, I had a typo. Get $4 back from Ibotta, $1 back for each, and makes it free plus a $1.03 money maker. So it's really fantastic. Keep an eye out for this specific product with Ibotta. Awesome deal. The second item that you should be on the lookout for if you are going to buy a bunch of these is either the Green Mountain Nantucket Blend or the Caramel Vanilla Cream. I think it's 75% off. So grabbing 4 of them, it's $9.16. I think they're like $2.24. There's a 3 off 4 that's coming out of the Catalina machine. So you'll pay $6.16. Obviously, roll some Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster, and you're going to get back a $2 register reward. So if you can line this up perfectly, it's like $1 per box for these K-cups. And what I would do is if your store has 5 of them, buy one on its own so you can get the 3 off 4 printable coupon that you can use in this deal. To show you guys the boxes a little closer, the caramel vanilla cream, real summer flavor, and the Nantucket blend, so they're really leaning into a New England coffee. And the expiry date isn't until 2025, so you have 2 years. The top one is the coupon that's coming out of the Catalina machine, 3 off 4, and yes, it's scanning with clearance. And then the $2 back when I bought 4, so it makes them like $1 per box, which is a really cheap price point. Yet another be on the lookout for are the Method trigger sprays. They had an entire display of these, and some of them are bringing up for 99 cents. That include the green bamboo and then the shower spray. So 99 cents. I think the original price point is $5.99. So it's like unadvertised clearance. I think Swag Bucks also might have a rebate for that. So these two 99 cents, check your Swag Bucks account. How fantastic is that? Let's dive right into the summer stuff that I did pick up. We have this 265 Buncho balloons, always a crowd pleaser with the kiddos, $1.99. So it went from $19.99 to $1.99. That is some tremendous and significant savings. And this one item got cleared the quickest at most stores. We have this little tosser, and it was $2.49. So the original price point was, I think, $24.99. I think anyone would enjoy playing with this, especially on a hot summer day. And then the one that most of us buy at the store, it's usually $9.99 for either the bag of tropical or the 4th of July colors, and it was 99 cents, which is a steal of a deal, 90% savings from $9.99 to like 99 cents. Fantastic savings. Now, the Melissa & Doug, I wish I would have found more, but I think when it was 80 or 70 on Monday, a lot of it moved quickly. This little pack was $2.19. I usually like to get a bunch of them and gift them for Easter, but not the case because I could only find one, so I was kind of out of luck there. But I did track down 3 of these Melissa & Doug stained glass windows for $1.29, and the original price point was $12.99. I have 3 nieces all about the same age, and I love to gift them the exact same items, matchy, no fighting, and the kids really respond to Melissa & Doug, so I always try to get that. Now, one item I didn't grab was these Powerades, Most of the food, including the K-Cup, was still 75% off. So it was 79 cents for these like freeze pops. Maybe they'll drop a bit more in the future. I'm going to wait on that. And then tons of the apparel from flip flops to cabana wear or Walgreens cabana wear. It's not fancy. 90% off on a lot of the clothes. And there was lots of socks too. So if you're looking to just stock up on little odds and ends, definitely keep your eyes peeled. And a lot of stores are tagged. A lot of stores are not tagged. So if your stores are not tagged, you might find the mother load. This tie-dye kit was like $7.49, but it was $1.49. I'm still going to buy it. A lot of stuff not ringing up properly and stores would not modify, so I was not going to fight for $1.49 for this awesome tie-dye kit. I'm going to pay for that. What a great deal. This is the one water thing I did buy, was this Twister Splash Kit. It just looked really cool. I thought it might be fun. It was $2.69, so the original price point was $26.99. So that is some Price is Right savings right there. And again, the pools and the floaties, a lot of room to store them. I'm like, not this year, but this item, I don't know. I thought it was interesting. Now, my nieces are really into Legos, and there's a whole bunch of birthdays happening in October and December and November, so I need to be ready. So this Lego Friends was $1.99. I think the original price point was $9.99, so again, not 90%, but it's Lego, so there's some sort of different pricing going on. So the two different ones, I thought the girls can really enjoy that, and they love putting together Legos. Very smart kids, too. And the Disney Princess, all of this line went on clearance at some stores last, I think, winter. And for whatever reason, a lot of stores, they just put it with the summer stuff. This is a lip gloss activity set for 99 cents from $10. Fantastic. And this is the little sticker thing for 59 cents. So the original price point for this was $5.99. And I did stock up when it was $70 last December or January. So I just grabbed a couple odds and ends. This is so adorable. It's some sort of like cute slime. And I got two of them for two different birthday gifts, and it was 55 cents. So a really good price point. Very girly and cute. I think the kids will love it. And then we have these little Spider-Man. It's like some sort of like squishy stress ball, but I have a really young nephew. I thought that might be a safe toy for 59 cents. So the original price point was $5.99. So I am getting Christmas stockings and extras filled to the brim. I'm this sort of aunt that I love to make stockings and have crazy Easter baskets for the kids, because the magic of their reaction of what's like how they react to these gifts when they know it's from Santa, it's always from Santa. That is the magic of the holiday for me. I love these big reactions that they have. Final item, a lot of this Moon and Stars, which is a Walgreens brand, 90% off as well. This is two little swaddle cloths for $14.99 down to $1.49. I think there might be a baby coming into the family in the new year, and if not, I have this on the ready with a whole mess of diapers because I don't mess around. Okay, guys, that's it. In the comments down below, let me know what you're scoring, and good luck. Get out there and make these deals happen.